What's up, y'all? So on Instagram I asked you guys if you guys wanted to see a kayak setup video, and I got one no, but the rest were all yeses. So we're gonna be doing this. I went and bought 2 rod holders, right? The last time I went out, it was terrible. I mean, it was a great freaking fishing day, but it was such a hassle having to put the rods down, you know, wherever the frick I could find to put them down. So I decided, you know, let's make it easier on myself and just get some rod holders. So I got some cheapo Walmart Ozark Trail rod holders that I'm gonna be mounting on the kayak today, as well as a paddle holder that I finally got that I'm gonna be mounting on the kayak as well. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the whole process. I'm just gonna show you guys where I'm gonna mount them. So first of all, the kayak paddle is gonna be going probably on the side over here, just so it could be out the way on the top. And I don't know whether to put both rod holders up here in the front or have one in the front and one on the back. I haven't figured that part out yet, but I'll let you guys know when I do figure it out. Let's get the paddle holder on first, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright y'all, so we got the paddle holder in. Now let's see if it is pretty comfortable and if it works. Alright, so you know, I'm paddling, and then I want to go catch fish. Alright, cool. And then we just put it. Alright, doesn't seem like it's gonna fall. And if it does, this is a really good paddle, so it floats. I just have to use my hands to go get it. But that's perfect right there. Next thing is figuring out, do I want to put both rod holders in the front or just one over there and one back here? Either way, though, what really matters is if it's gonna bother me while I'm paddling. So if I'm paddling, obviously you don't want nothing in this vicinity to bother you. And I like trolling. That's one of my favorite ways to fish. So I would say my trolling rods would probably be that front one. My trolling rod will probably be that front one, and I don't think it'll bother. Either way, I don't think it'll bother, so I could do it whichever way I want. But let's do this one first, and then we'll figure out where we want the other one. Alright you guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm definitely not gonna lie. That is not the prettiest hole that I could have made, but I did what I could with what I had. And I think that's the important part, right? As long as it works, as long as it works. And the good thing is, so if you have a sit on top kayak, right? If you have a sit on top kayak, I would definitely not recommend doing something like this. Because since it's a sit in kayak, if water gets all the way up here, then we have bigger problems to worry about than this ugly ass hole. And then we get our screws and literally just screw this thing down. All right, so I got the first rod holder in. Let's see how it works. So, just like that. If I want to lock it in, which I probably won't, just because I don't even think this matters. I think what is supposed to happen is, no, yeah. I think that's how it's supposed to be. And then you lock it in. But that's too much. That's too much. So I'll just keep it just like that. And that should work right there. That's perfect actually. Probably have it like that. That's my trolling rod. Paddle, paddle, paddle. And oh yeah. And then I caught a fish, guys. I caught a fish. Oh yeah, that's too easy. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. And then now we just got to figure out where we put the second one. And honestly, I think I'm gonna put it right there too. Just because that was kind of hard to do the hole. I don't have the good equipment, and I think putting it back here is gonna be a lot harder than putting it right there where maybe it's most supposed to be. So I'll see you guys when I'm finished with the whole setup, and I'll catch you guys after I'm done. All right, you guys, we did it. We did it. We did it. Looks great. Both rod holders are up in the front, and everything is nice and locked in. Doesn't seem like it'll, well, this one obviously is not going to go in there because this is an ultralight. There's no reason for it to be in here. But if I did want to put it in here, put it upside down maybe, and then it won't come out. But mostly it's for trolling and for my catfish rods. And then this one, ultralight, just freaking set it back here, not a problem, just like I did last time. But other than that, I mean, I don't know, honestly I'm not too sure about this paddle holder. It seems like it'll slip out pretty easily if something hits it, and boom, it's off. So I have to either get another like elastic type leash where I could connect it from here and then just boom. I don't know how to explain it, but you guys get what I'm talking about. But other than that, I mean, I know this isn't the most entertaining video, but I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, like, subscribe. I'll be fishing here pretty soon. I'm just waiting for these damn clouds to stop rolling through and see when this weather starts to clear up. But I'll catch you guys later on the next time.